Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send BNB from Bitmart to Gemini in 2025. If you're looking to move your Binance coin seamlessly between exchanges, you're in the right place. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and Gemini, and that your BNB is safely stored in your Bitmart wallet. Always double-check your balances and security settings to avoid any hiccups. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Wallets, or Assets, section. Find your BNB balance and click on the Withdrawal option. It's usually right there for easy access. Next, in the withdrawal form, select BNB as the cryptocurrency. Now, this is crucial. Copy your Gemini wallet address. You can find this by logging into your Gemini account, going to your wallet, and selecting the deposit option for BNB. Paste that address carefully into the Bitmart withdrawal field to ensure it goes to the right place. Enter the amount of BNB you want to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees, so check the estimated costs first. Once you're ready, hit confirm and verify the transaction with any two-factor authentication you have set up. This adds an extra layer of security, especially in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. After submission, you'll see a confirmation on Bitmart. The transfer typically takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Gemini account. Once it arrives, you'll get a notification. And that's it, you've successfully sent BNB from Bitmart to Gemini. If you run into any issues, reach out to the exchange support teams. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, subscribe for more crypto tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.